Should I give her a piece?
Daphne,
Look at Mommy.
do you want some candy?
Look at Mommy.
Do you want candy?
What do you say when you want candy?
Num num num.
Is that Num Nums?
Oh boy.
She's like, somebody open this bag.
Grandma wouldn't open
Daphne,
it for
come
me.
here. Come here, I got something special for you. Y'all go outside.
Come on,
I
Dad.
mean, if you want to.
Yeah.
Go ahead, I'm gonna let her walk out last so she can see.
Okay,
Granny, you wanna
you
go
can have
outside?
it. Let's go find the Easter eggs.
Why don't you drop those things? Put that down. Okay. Thank you. Here, leave this too. That ain't important anymore.
Bag of taffy.
There you go. Can you go get those eggs?
Look.
Look, Daffy, can you go get those eggs?
Put them in your basket. Yay! Everything's yay.
I'm trying to get in front of her so I can get her face. You're supposed to pick the eggs up, baby.
You want me to show her?
No. Daphne, you want to put these in there? You put these in. Put them in your basket. Can you pick all the other ones up? The Easter Bunny left them for you.
Pick them up.
Thank you. You don't have to pick that up if you don't want to.
Where's the Easter eggs?
Pick up the eggs. Can you pick up the eggs? You see them? They're so pretty.
Daphne, look. Get it. Put it in your basket. Good girl. Yay. Yay.
Pick up the rest of them.
Pick up some more.
Get all the eggs.
Good
Yay.
Yay.
Say everybody clap.
Yay. Hip hip hooray. Okay, pick up another one.
Good job, lady.
Basket. Yay. Uh-oh. Yay.
Daffy, pick your eggs up, baby. It's good.
Yay. You didn't get that? Did you get that, Becky? Okay, pick up your eggs. Maybe she sees what's in one.
She knows what's in them.
Okay, put it in your basket.
What you got?
Oh, thank you. Oh, boy.
What you got?
I think I may have sidetracked.
Daphne, you got to get all of them. They all have num-nums in them.
All the num-nums you can handle.
Her mouth's wide open. They all have treats.
Pick them all up, baby.
If you put them in your basket, then you can open them up later. It's okay.
We gotta go pick them up. We gotta go pick them up.
What was in that one she opened? Yogurts?
Yogurt, yeah.
Here, grab this. There you go. Here, I'll even carry the bag.
Put it in your ear.
Yeah. Let's get
Put it in your ear.
Good job, lady. I guess it became important when she realized there were treats in them.
Yeah, I'm thinking they're right. Can we put some of that back in? Okay.
Good job. You got eggs
There's
all
everywhere.
Looks like I'm on blend duty now.
She'll pick them up with you. She did me the other day.
She likes to pick up the lid.
Daphne, look how many there are. They're everywhere.
She's got the energy bars.
Yeah, I'm tired of walking.
Pick up two in one hand.
Oh, yeah. Grab one of those. Maybe more fish. 3 in one.
Do you like those, Mama?
No, we don't. It's just eggs. Just the eggs.
Is it a stick?
Yeah.
It's 12. That'll be 12.
We got one over here too.
Look at that, lady. You got a big basket of eggs.
We were gonna go home and change clothes, and I have some peach cobbler and ice cream, so we'll have peach cobbler.
No, you have to do that.
Yeah, her attention, yeah.
Pick up your eggs, Daphne.
We're almost done. It was a good run.
Yeah, it's fine.
Wow, find some more. Wow.
There's one right here.
She looks so cute. Oh, really? Oh, a bunny. Wow. And another egg.
No, go ahead. Hey, how y'all doing? Doing pretty good?
You're